Hello students. My name is Prashant and I am taking Maths for 7th standard. So far, I discussed exercise 1.1 and all 4 properties, that is closure property, commutative property, associative property, and as well as the distributive property also. Today I will start exercise. Today I am starting exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. In this exercise 1.2, first main I wrote the question. Write the pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. Question B is difference is minus 10. Question C, sum is 0 and 2 homeworks are given. Okay, so we will see one by one how to find the pair of integers. Okay, and some condition is also given. The pair of integers, sum must be this much only, the difference must be this much only. How to find this? Actually, these questions are based on common sense. Still, we can follow one simple method where we can find a pair of integers. Okay. Look here. Write the pair. Pair means how much? 2 integers we have to write. We have to choose 2 integers. Write the pair of integers whose first one A, sum is minus 7. Sum is, already question is written directly, I will go for a solution. Sum is minus 7. You have to tell 2 integers such that the 2 integers sum, if we add those 2 integers, answer must be 7. Okay, it's very easy actually. Let's try. There are many number of pairs. Okay, for single answer there can be a many number of pairs, but we need to write only one. Now, sum of 2 integers means I have to write 2 integers. I have to write, these are the blank space. I have to write 2 integers. And sum means what? Plus. Their sum must be how much? The sum must be minus 7. So first, if you find these 2 numbers, those 2 numbers will be your answer. You have to write 2 integers. Their sum must be equal to minus 7. Now first, you don't look at this sign, just look at the number. How much it is? 7. Okay. By adding which 2 numbers, you will get a 7. There are many combinations. You can add 1 plus 6, you will get 7. You can add 2 plus 5. You can add 3 plus 4. Okay. Likewise, there are 3 combinations: 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4. Among these 3 combinations, you can choose any one. I will go for 2 and 5. Okay, I will go for 2 and 5. Even there is one more combination, 0 and 7 also. 0 plus 7 will also give you 7 only. So, it is our choice which combination you are going to use. I am using 2 and 5. You can use 3 and 4. Okay. So first, don't look at this sign, just look at the number 7. 7 can be obtained by 2 and 5. Okay. This is like a closed one. This is like a closed one. This is like the sign is like it is inside a bracket. 2 and 5. If you add, you will get a 7. But what I need to get? I need to get a minus 7. When I will get minus 7 as an answer, when greater number has a minus sign, no, therefore I will give, for greater number I will give minus sign. But what happens here? 2 plus 2 and minus 5, addition will not take place. You have to do subtraction, therefore you will not get 7 answer. For addition, both number must have same sign, therefore I have to make this 2 also minus. Now you check, just minus 2, even if you solve it, minus 2 plus into minus 5 will come, minus 2 minus 5 will give you minus 7. Am I right? This is like a cross check. You can cross check. This answer in a rough. So I can get a minus 7 answer. Therefore, the pair of numbers are, don't consider this one. The pair of numbers are minus 2, minus 5. This is the pair of integers whose sum is equals to minus 7. Likewise, question number B. difference. You can note down, first note down this much, take one screenshot, or you can pause the video. Now, question number B, difference is minus 10. You have to find two integers whose difference must be, difference means what here? Subtraction. Okay, sum means plus, difference means minus. So, you have to take two integers whose difference means what? Minus, whose difference must be equal to what? Minus 10. Same method you can observe. Don't look at the sign, just look at the number 10. By adding which two numbers you will get 10? There are many combinations. I can add 1, 9, I can add 2, 8, 3, 7, okay, 4 and 6, 5 and 5, 0 and 10. So many combinations are there. It is your choice which one you are going to use. I am going to use 3 and 7. Okay, 3 and 7. Now, but what happens here if you remove this bracket? Minus into plus 3 minus 7 will give you minus 4 answer. But I want minus 10. Therefore, what I have to do for the addition purpose, okay, you can cross check. Even if you solve this, 3 minus 7 will give you minus 4. So, for addition, what? This 3 must have what? Minus sign, no? Therefore, you can give minus sign. Now you try. Minus 3 minus into plus minus 7 will come outside. Both are having the same sign. 3 plus 7 will be 10. Greater than sign. So, I got minus 10. Okay. Am I right? Therefore, what are the pair of numbers? What is the pair of number? Pair of number is minus 3 comma 7. This negative is because of difference. Okay, but 7 is what here? 7 is positive. So if you subtract minus 3 and 7, you will get the answer minus 10, and both are integers. This is one pair. Okay, likewise I will solve C1. Question number C. Sum is 0. Sum is 0. You always remember, sum 0 means you have to take two numbers, same numbers only, like 2, 2, 5, 5, 7, 7. At both places you can take a same number. Sum 0. Sum means what? Plus. You must get a 0. Always take a same number, any same numbers, 10, 10, 15, 15, 25, 25, 3, 3. I will choose a 21, 21. No problem. Okay, I will take 8, 8. On both sides 8. But if you solve, what will happen? This 8 will come, this plus into plus, 8 will come. Answer is going to become 6. But which answer I want? I want 0. For this, you have to make one number negative. Let's make this as a negative. Then now solve minus 8 plus into plus, plus 8 will also come. Minus 8 plus 8 will give you 0. Therefore, the pair of number is minus 8 comma plus 8. It is a pair of number or a pair of integers whose sum is what? 0. Okay. Likewise, you try, take these two as homework. Sum is minus 9, sum is minus 1. You try these two in your home. The first main is sufficient today. Tomorrow I am going to deal with the second main. Thank you, one and all.